Hello friends, welcome to another exciting and informative video of InfinKey Infopedia. Google is not letting Microsoft or anyone else make a swipe for its search crown without a fight. Recently, ChatGPT became an AI sensation with 100 million users in just 2 months. In competition, Google has announced its own chatbot with the name Bard. It is named as Bard because it's a storyteller based on experimental technology called Language Model for Dialogue Applications (LaMDA), which Google has been testing inside the company and with a limited number of outsiders for several months. LaMDA, Google's language model built on Transformer, a neural network architecture, is at the heart of Google's chatbot. This technology isn't new, but the Google team has revamped it. By adjusting how it works, it's now streamlined enough to provide faster answers without sacrificing quality. Because it requires less power than its original counterpart, it can scale more efficiently to handle high volumes. According to Google, Bard uses online information to give fresh, high-quality replies. The tool will pull information from the web, then fine-tune it to provide better responses to countless commands. It is designed to simulate conversations with a human and uses a combination of natural language processing and machine learning to provide realistic and helpful responses to questions you might ask it. Bard can be integrated into websites, messages platforms, applications on desktop and mobile, and a range of digital systems. Google has boasted of this technology's versatility, easily implemented in chat rooms and search engines alike. Based on ChatGPT's rapid-fire request since its debut, Google wants to be ready when the public puts Bard through its paces as soon as it's on the market. The internet giant has started testing its new chatbot Bard with a small, private group before releasing it to the public in the coming weeks. During the testing phase, Google will take into account all feedback about the program. They will incorporate solutions to any hiccups to meet its standards for quality information in real-world settings. The team has anticipated requests that will try to bait the search engine so that it can work around giving incorrect or otherwise biased answers. Google has promised to reimagine how people explore and interact with information on the web, whether they are asking for directions or researching market data for a presentation. While this has been a blanket statement referring to its general platform, it's clear that Bard will be a major part of this pivot. Marketers, brands, and SEO professionals are crushed with the huge data. Bard has the potential to cut through endless red tape and give professionals clean, correct answers about what prospective customers are looking for and why. With Bard, Google is ready to disrupt the impact of ChatGPT with its own version, giving professionals and consumers more options to get answers. From creativity to purpose, brands can leverage all their data to enhance their presence and profits. Being a market giant, Google's chatbot Bard is definitely going to give a tough competition to ChatGPT, and it is going to spice up the game of AI for sure. What are your thoughts on it? Tell us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel InfinKey Infopedia for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.